Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make muffin liners. Let's begin by gathering our simple materials. You'll need a roll of parchment paper, a pair of sharp scissors, and a pen. Don't forget your muffin tin and a small glass or jar with a flat bottom, about 2.5 inches in diameter. These items are all you need to create perfect, custom liners for your delicious baked goods. Now, let's prepare our parchment paper. Take your parchment paper and cut it into squares. Each square should measure approximately 6 inches by 6 inches. You'll need 1 square for each muffin liner you plan to make. Precision here helps ensure your liners fit snugly into your muffin tin, giving your muffins a professional and appealing look. Next, we'll shape our liners. Take one of your 6-inch parchment squares and center it over a cavity in your muffin tin. Now, take your small glass or jar and gently press it down into the center of the parchment square. Use the bottom of the glass to push the paper into the cavity, forming the base and sides. Carefully crease the paper to define the liner's shape. Once the paper is shaped, carefully remove the glass. You'll see a perfectly formed muffin liner sitting in your tin. Gently smooth out any major wrinkles, but don't worry about minor imperfections. They add character. Repeat this process for all your muffin cavities. Your custom-made liners are now ready to hold your delicious muffin batter, ensuring easy release and a beautiful presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.